Hello, Keith Rucker here at VintageMachinery.org. Guys, today, just giving you guys a real quick update video on some things going on. As I had mentioned in a couple of my previous videos, recently had some surgery, had my gallbladder removed, outpatient stuff. It wasn't too serious. Everything is going very well with that whole recovery, but basically no lifting of anything over 10 pounds for 4 weeks after the surgery, so the shop is kind of off limits for me as far as working for a little while, which is a really, really hard thing for me to do, to sit down when I know I got so much stuff that needs to be done out here. But I am really trying hard to follow doctor's orders and not get myself into a situation where I do more harm than good and end up being laid up even longer. So apologize, but probably not going to be a whole lot of shop content stuff. I do have a couple of videos kind of in the can that I'm going to be putting out here over the next couple of weeks to kind of keep some content going. But yeah, I'm not really doing a whole lot in the shop right now. Good news is, like I said, on the surgery, everything so far has been good. First couple of days, you know, it wasn't the surgery part I recovered from very well. It kind of took about a week for my digestive system to kind of get used to not having a gallbladder. So things over the first couple of days after surgery were on the digestive side of things, let's just say, was not real pretty, but we're kind of beyond that now. And I still, you know, I can tell I'm not at 100%, but I'm feeling pretty good. And actually, this whole surgery thing has gone a lot smoother and a lot easier than I ever would have thought that it would. I also want to take a real quick comment here and just follow up on the tools. I'm over here by my tools. About a week ago, I did a video talking about all the tools that we got from Lockheed Martin that we were going to be trying to get rid of. And wow, you guys wore me out. Was literally overwhelmed with messages. I knew I was going to get a lot of messages, and I pretty well knew I was going to probably be able to get rid of most of this stuff without any problem at all. But oh my word, the number, I'll just tell you guys, I got well over 1,000 emails from people that were wanting to buy tools. And I unfortunately didn't have enough to go around to everybody. So, you know, I tried really hard, and, you know, let me say this, I have tried to follow up with everybody that sent me an email. If you did not get a follow-up email from me, I apologize. I'm sure that I missed a few. I tried really hard to make sure I followed up with everyone, but guys, there were just so many messages that came in, and between me trying to get stuff packed up and shipped out, which I was able to kind of get out here, most everything was, you know, less than 10 pounds, so that wasn't an issue. I got a little bit of help from my daughter came down here and helped me with some of the heavier stuff, and even it wasn't all that heavy. But anyway, we got everything. Well, I say everything. I got a little bit of stuff still over there that's going to probably go out on Tuesday, Monday being a holiday here in the U.S., Memorial Day. But we'll get that stuff headed out. I think I've got everything that has been sold so far already packed up, shipping labels on it, ready to go. And yeah, there's not a whole lot left on this case over here. And what little bit is on here kind of falls into a couple of categories. Number one, I got a few things that are spoken for, that somebody has said, hey, I want that. And either, I know I had a couple of cases where like, hey, I get paid at the end of the month, can I pay you then? I'm like, yeah, I'll work with you on that. And then I've got a couple of guys who are going to come by the shop and pick their tools up, and it's just going to be a week or two before they get here. So I've got some stuff set aside for them. Got their name on it. Some of this stuff was incomplete, broken. There was a few tools in there that you know, I just didn't feel comfortable selling. So I've still got some of that stuff over here. Really was not a lot. There was just a couple of little items in there that just like I said, I didn't feel comfortable selling it. And there's a couple of things on here I'm actually keeping for myself. So, you know, hey, when I got all these tools, I got first pick. So I kind of went through, and there are definitely a couple of things, and I just haven't got them put up in the shop. So, but yeah, everything that was for sale is sold, 100%. It's all gone. And I'm, again, just totally blown away. It took a lot of effort last week, you know, responding to emails, working out deals with folks, getting the billing part done, doing all the invoicing, getting stuff packed up, and and on top of trying to keep track of my regular full-time job that I have on top of everything else. But I think we've got it all done. Like I said, I've still got a few things over there to get out on UPS come Monday morning or Tuesday morning. My daughter's going to have to come over here and help me again because I got some heavier items in there that I can't pick up, but she's already dealt with them because she helped me get them packed up. So anyway, that's the whole purpose of this video, guys. I just wanted to kind of give a quick update, let you know what's going on. I apologize again, don't really have any true machining content or restoration content. We got plenty of projects ongoing out here in the shop. I got a long list of stuff that needs to do. All I need is time, and where I can get out here and work on things. So we'll find some time as soon as I'm healed up a little bit better and can get out here and do it without having any risk of hurting myself, so that we can do that. So bear with me for a couple of weeks as I'm on the mend, and we'll guys be back with you soon. So that's all I wanted to say. Just a big, huge thank you to everybody out there. Again, overwhelmed and with all the responses. I know I actually read all the emails, and I know a lot of you guys gave me some information there. Yes, I read them, but when it came time to replying, I was just trying to get replies out. I'm gonna tell you, it was a lot of work sending out all the replies to everybody. And again, sorry for people that missed out. I apologize. I wish I had 3 truckloads of tools to sell rather than just 1, because I think I could have done it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy. The people that did get tools, hopefully you guys will enjoy having them. Like I said, they're good tools. They're well used. They're not pristine examples, any of them, most of them anyway. There were a few pieces in there that were in pretty dang good shape, but what's important is that they're all usable. And again, for me, they have a remarkable history behind them, helping to build aircraft, primarily for our U.S. military and militaries around the world, for that matter. They help bring freedom to this world. And on this Memorial Day, as I'm actually here filming it, means a little bit more to me from that standpoint. So guys, with that, that's going to be a wrap. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You've heard this spiel before. Thumbs up, comments, greatly appreciate it. It helps out with the algorithms. And hit that bell icon if you haven't already. Get notification when new videos are posted. And as always, again, a big thank you to my supporters, Patreon supporters, anybody that has supported the site in any way, form, or fashion in the past. You're a big reason why I'm able to keep doing what I do, and I greatly appreciate your efforts in that. Guys, with that, we'll catch you on another video and hope to be back to working out here very soon.